Good morning, students. Next continuation of online class, third year max, and then subject is dynamics. Example: if a point moves in a straight line with uniform acceleration and covers successive equal distances in time t1, t2, t3, then show then show that 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 equal to 3 by t1 plus t2 plus t3. Solution: let S be the equal distance. Let v1, v2, v3 be the initial velocity for the successive distance and v4 the find velocity in the third distance. Therefore, given acceleration is constant, the mean velocity intervals are 1 by 2 v1 plus v2, 1 by 2 v2 plus v3, 1 by 2 v3 plus v4. S by t1 equal to 1 by 2 v1 plus v2. This is the equation number 1. Next, second equation, S by t2 equal to 1 by 2 v2 plus v3. Next, third equation, S by t3 is equal to 1 by 2 v3 plus v4. This is the equation number 3. So S by t1 minus S by t2 plus S by t3 is equal to 1 by 2 v1 plus v2 minus 1 by 2 v2 plus v3 plus 1 by 2 v3 plus v4 is equal to 1 by 2 v1 plus 1 by 2 v2 minus 1 by 2 v2 minus 1 by 2 v3 plus 1 by 2 v3 plus 1 by 2 v4. S of 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 is equal to 1 by 2 v1 plus v4. This is the equation number 4. Now consider the mean velocity in the total interval 3s dividing by t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equal to 1 by 2 v1 plus v4. This is the equation number 5. So substitute the equations 5 in 4, we get S of 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 is equal to 3s dividing by t1 plus t2 plus t3. So 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 is equal to 3 by t1 plus t2 plus t3. That means SS cancel. So remaining value is 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 is equal to 3 by t1 plus t2 plus t3. Next example, a train travels at the rate of 27 km per hour. Rain which falling vertically appears to a man is the train to make an angle of tan inverse of 6 by 5 with the vertical. Find the magnitude of the true velocity of the rain. Solution: this is the diagram. 27 I vector, next j vector, next I vector. Let I vector be the unit vector in the direction opposite of the rain. Let j vector be the unit vector velocity downward. So let v be the unit vector vertically downward. Let v be the magnitude of the two velocity of the rain. Therefore, then the two velocity of the rain is vj vector. Therefore, velocity of the rain relative to man. is equal to modulus of velocity of rain plus recovered velocity of man is equal to Vj vector plus 27 I vector. This is equation number 1. This makes an angle of tan inverse of 27 dividing by V with the vertically. This is the equation number 2. Given the angle is tan inverse of 6 by 5, since tan theta equal to opposite side dividing by adjustment side. So comparing equation 2 and 1, given the angle is tan inverse of 6 by 5, comparing equation 2 and 1, tan inverse of 27 dividing by V is equal to tan inverse of 6 by 5. 27 dividing by V equal to 6 by 5. Cross multiplying, we get 27 into 5 dividing by 6 is equal to V. V is equal to 45 dividing by 2. V is equal to 22 into 1 by 2 kilometer per hour. The true velocity 22 into 1 by 2 kilometer per hour. Next example. A ship runs northeast at 15 km per hour and to a passenger on a boat. The wind appears to blow from north with a velocity of 15 into root 2 km per hour. Find the true velocity of the wind. Solution. Let I vector and j vector be the unit vectors towards. This is a diagram. This is north side, east side, west side, south side. East and north. Therefore, the true velocity of the unit be v1 I vector plus v2 j vector. Now the velocity of the ship is 15 into cos of 45 I vector plus sin of 45 j vector. Therefore, the velocity of the wind relation to the ship is equal to velocity of the wind plus reversed velocity is equal to v1 I vector plus v2 j vector minus 15 into cos of 45 I vector plus sin of 45 j vector. This is the equation number 1. But this apparent velocity is 15 into root 2 into minus j vector. This is the equation number 2. Equating the I vector component and j vector components from equation 1 and 2, we get v1 minus 15 into cos of 45 degree equal to 0. v1 equal to 15 into cos of 45 degree. v1 equal to 15 into 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So v1 equal to 15 dividing by root 2. v2 minus sin of 45 degree is equal to minus 15 into root 2. v2 equal to 15 into sin 45 degree minus 15 into root 2. 15 into 1 by root 2 minus 15 into root 2 is equal to 15 minus 15 into 2 dividing by root 2 is equal to 15 minus 30 dividing by root 2. v2 equal to 15 dividing by root 2. So v1 value is 15 dividing by root 2, v2 value is 15 dividing by root 2. The true velocity of the wind is 15 dividing by root 2 I minus 15 dividing by root 2 j. It is direction is towards south east magnitude. Thank you, students.